Does this server have
I have 5 gigas. 5
Here we
gigas
go.
right now. Mintnado, Super Ghost,
Min,
Rift,
Mega, no duplicates, there's no duplicates.
no duplicates.
wait.
Krampus, Troll, Ghost.
Rift. Have fun surviving out of shelter, guys.
Are you on a pro server?
Mega.
Riftnado.
Wait, no, I think there's 2 Rifts. Oh, God, there's, oh no, that's Chompnado. There's Ghost. I swear, we got death. Grow to a giant. I love how we got the opposite person. No. Leviathan and Deceitful Breath.
Server of the game.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's no duplicates. No duplicates, Six-Nado.
There's no duplicates. MegaTornado. Supercharged and normal ghost.
I'm trying to draw the local enhancer.
Timebomb Terror.
I'm trying to like have 5 games. Timebomb Terror. Yep. Oh. Glitch. I'm trying to remember off the top of my head.
Glitch. WraithNado.
Trouble. 7, 8, 11. I need 1 more.
This Krampus server is why I question humanity.
Timer says EF1 is Mintnado.
Definitely not a freeze. I think Mint was like the first thing I saw. You've got to be. Neither am I. No, T-Bone, you probably can. I definitely. Wait, did I put Chompnado? No, I didn't.
Congrats, Hoshi. You're at 96 NATO merges.